Hey Adventure Gang, we are at Wells Gray Provincial Park on this beautiful Labor Day 2021. We are not going to be heeding TLC's 1994 advice to don't chase waterfalls. We're going to check out some waterfalls today. Jessica, what are you looking forward to?
Well, I'm looking forward to it all because you know Chuck and I love chasing our waterfalls, but Helmkin is probably one of the bigger ones. This park's got 41 waterfalls that they've named, probably more. No time to see them all, but we're gonna do our best to see what we can see today.
Yeah, really looking forward to it, guys. Our previous record was 5 waterfalls on the Horsefly five waterfalls class. Today we're gonna do better. All right, catch on the trail.
Welcome to Spat Hat Falls, our first stop along the way.
Hey guys, that was Silvertip Falls there. We drove about 7 kilometers up a Forest Service road to a recreation site. I wouldn't recommend driving that road unless you've got truck or a SUV. Road was a little rough in places. At the recreation site, there was a goat trail to the base of the falls. A bit gnarly though. I only made it about halfway. There was somebody else there that went all the way and said that where I got to was about the halfway point. Where I got to though was a park boundary, and that's why I was able to fly a drone. I took off just outside the park boundary and got that flight in. Anyways, we're on to our next one. We'll see you at Dawson Falls.
Beautiful Dawson Falls. Welcome to Helmkin Falls, our fourth falls of the day. It's absolutely amazing.
All right, guys, that was Bailey's shoot. I think hopefully we managed to catch a couple salmon jumping. We're gonna do this little loop here and hopefully see a couple more falls. Catch you on the trail.
On the Bailey Chute Trail. Adventure gang, it's been a great day. We got one more place to see, hopefully. Osprey Falls.
Hey guys, this is falls number 6. This is Osprey Falls. Check it out.
Concludes our adventures to Wells Gray Park. We saw 6 waterfalls, which breaks our record of 5 in one day, and it was worth it. What can I say about Wells Gray Park? It is a nature lover's, photographer lover, and fall chaser's dream. It was a almost a full day adventure, but well worth it.
Hey guys, we had an awesome day today, checking out 6 waterfalls in Wells Gray Park. We started off with Spa Hut Falls, then we saw Silvertip Falls, we saw Dawson Falls, we saw Hemlickin Falls, which was really cool, we saw Marcus Falls, and lastly we just saw Osprey. Jessica, take us out.
All right, friends, thanks for joining in the fun, and we will see you in the next one.